Hello, welcome back to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. Hope you're okay today. I'm good. The sun is absolutely amazing in London, UK. It's out, it's bright, it's warm. It feels like the first day of spring, to be quite honest. It's beautiful. And my daffodils and everything is growing very nicely. They're blooming, they're opening already, which it's really surprising because I was expecting at least next month or April for them to start blooming, but they're absolutely beautiful. I'll have to give you a little guide of the garden soon. But anyway, I've come on here quickly to do a little AliExpress haul and samples as well. So the first one I have, what is the first one I did? The first one I did was this die, and I'm not going to open it. It's the girl with, she's going on holiday. There's her suitcase, you know, the nice wheelie ones, and she's heading off on her travels. And I did her like this. I tried to dress her. I've put some shoes on her. I mean, for the video, for the purpose of the video, you know, it's not perfect, but it's just an idea of what you can actually do. So I tried to dress her in a black top, lilac skirt, purple bag, and her pink suitcase, and I put brown hair on her. So that's that, and I'll leave the links below in the description box just to let you know where I got them from. So that's the first one. Let me get a white sheet of paper. Okay, so that's that one. So that's her. Then the second one I did was the boy and girl. You can see that in the glaze. That's the boy and girl. And I did them. I tried to dress them as well. I made a good effort. So it looks like he's got on a blue jumpsuit all in one, and she's got a pink dress on, and I put some brown hair. They're on a swing, I think, or they're just sitting on a wall or something, and giving each other a kiss. So I really like that one. I've just been experimenting, trying to build them up, and it is very therapeutic, very relaxing. I love it, I really do. So that's that one. Again, just to give you an idea of what can be done. And then I did this one, which is the girl with the big head and the big hair. And this is her here. And as I said, I will leave the links below. So I dressed her as well. So she's got her little top on, and she's got a birdie perched on her hand there. So I put an orange little beak for the bird, and a bluey grey wing. And I dressed her, and I think she looks amazing. Love dolls, and it's relaxing. I love it. That's that one. Then this one is another girly as well, with her the face and the head tie and her curls, her bangs, and there she is. So I dressed her as well, her little shoes, and I tried to draw her eyelashes and her eyebrows. I'm not very good at makeup or anything like that. I'm a girly, but I don't really know how to do makeup and stuff. The most I do is I put my foundation on if I want to, and I do my eyeliner and my mascara and a bit of lipstick if I want to. So I did my best with her, and they're absolutely tiny, the little bits, because her hair comes in pieces. Her hair comes in pieces, so you've got to glue them on to her headband, her head tie. I wear my hair like this sometimes, with my head tie and my hair out at the top. So I really like that, really do. And then I'm not quite sure, hang on a sec, let's have a look at this. Right, this one now, it's a little notepad. I have to open this one because I need some ideas if you've got any. I'm going to send a message to Shishi Crafts. She's amazing at putting the AliExpress dies together. And I'm going to send a message to her because she's really, really good. Now this one is a little notebook. It actually is a little notebook. So just out of experiment purposes, I made the book. There it is. And that's in the pages for it. But I don't know what to do with this little one because it doesn't line up with the others. So I was thinking of maybe putting it as a pocket on the outside, using a nice paper pad and doing that, and maybe just putting some washi across it, or I could even cut this piece off. Don't know, there's lots of ways. So I'm going to message Shishi Crafts and find out what ideas does she have for that. But I'm really, really pleased. Isn't it absolutely cute? Absolutely cute. I'm going to make some really tiny notepads, notebooks out of this. I'm going to put lots of pages and maybe just thread it through with nice coloured string or something. But I think that will be really nice. So that's the end of my mini AliExpress die haul. I've got a lot more to do, but I just like to do the samples just to give you an idea again of what you can actually do with them and what they look like made up. So I've got a lot more to get through, and I will be bringing those to you. But in the meantime, many thanks for stopping by my channel. Thank you for the returning subscribers, and thank you very much for the new subscribers as well. If you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up, and if you like, subscribe and hit the notification bell as well to be notified when I upload videos. Thank you very much. Bye for now. Take care.